In this video, I will show you step by step how you can create an email marketing form on ConvertKit. So first of all, what you want to do once you are logged into your account is head up to the top left hand corner, click on the drop down menu where it says grow, and then you want to select landing pages and forms. Once we select this, you will then be redirected to this page, and then all we need to do is click on create new. Once we click on create new, select form. And then once you do this, you can then click on inline, modal, slide in, or a sticky bar. For me personally, I do like the modal one, and this is the one that you will see mostly on websites and things like that. So click on this one, and then you can choose from any of these templates right here. So for example, if I just click on this one right here, click on choose, that will then redirect you to this page, and then you can go ahead and customize this however you want. So for example, if I just put in something like YouTube tutorial, you can change the text and obviously customize it to however you want it. And then once you are happy, you can then go ahead to the top right hand corner and click on publish. Once you click on publish, you will then get a JavaScript, HTML, WordPress, and you will then be able to copy and paste this text into your specific website. Now, once we've done this, that will mean that you have created a email marketing form for your website. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.